What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on Marathon Digital Holdings, which is my personal favorite stock. And if it comes to stock trading, this is like historically the stock that I made the biggest profits, because in my opinion this stock is like absolutely crazy volatile, and also it's quite easy to predict this stock. So if you are interested about the exact levels and about the exact trades that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, or if you are for example interested about the exact levels where I would consider buying this stock for like a long-term hold, then definitely watch this video till the end, because this video will be super important and you will definitely not regret it watching it. Let's start first of all on the higher time frame. If you are familiar with this stock, you know that this is like a Bitcoin mining company. So basically the price is highly affected with a price of a Bitcoin. But if you are for example watching also a Bitcoin price, you know that Bitcoin is basically on its all-time high. So why Marathon right now is not on the all-time high, and does it mean that this company is undervalued? Well, this is probably not the case, because like when in the last bull market was Bitcoin on its all-time high, Marathon was on like $83, and in this case the company is like super overbought. But with a stock like this, we need to count with something which is called halving. So if you are familiar with Bitcoin, you know that every 4 years the miners are basically getting half of the rewards. So that's the main reason why it's not Marathon on like its all-time high while Bitcoin is almost there. So let's now get into the exact areas where I would consider buying this stock for like a long-term hold, and then we will get into the exact short-term price targets and like short-term trading positions. So the first potential area is definitely this bullish order block, which is between levels 8.1 and 7.9. Well, as you probably know, this price to be reached, there needs to be a drop around like 56%, which is probably not happening. But as I said, like this stock is historically really volatile, and you can see that for example here we did a drop around like 57% in like 50 days, something like that. So this is in my opinion definitely possible, and if we are gonna get here, this is definitely an area where I would consider buy again Marathon to my long-term portfolio, because my last buy on this stock was somewhere around here. I think for like $0.5 something I hit the perfect bottom. So my last bought was like there, and I think I sold Marathon somewhere around like $24 per share, something like that. And if we are again get to these lower areas, then I would definitely consider buying this stock again. But if it comes to a 1 hour time frame, then we have here like these two order blocks, which I think are in my opinion super important if you want to open here some trading positions. And these order blocks are between level 17.8 and 15.70. And if we are gonna take the liquidity under, and there will be like a support confirmation in this area, then I think this can be really good opportunity for some long position. Probably it will be better to, let's say, wait for a support confirmation in this second order block, but if there will be just a fake out and support confirmation of this first one, then this can be a valid trade as well. Stop loss in this case you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, and the last take profit target needs to go under this bearish order block, which is between levels 24.28 and 23.71. So this potential trade can give you a risk reward ratio up to 8.36, which is like super good. But if you will take like multiple take profit targets, which I highly recommend doing, then the potential risk reward ratio will be like 5.4, something like that. But that's still in my opinion really good. So definitely highly recommend you to watch this scenario, which is like the main scenario that I'm currently watching on this stock. And some of you already asked me if there is some place where I'm for example sharing like those exact trades. Well, no. So if you want to know about the exact trades, I recommend you to just give me a subscribe, and if you will watch every video, you will probably know like about the every single trade that I'm doing. So about the Marathon, this is currently the main setup that I'm watching there, and if those conditions are met, I am definitely planning to open here one.